If you've ever tried cooking outdoors and ended up fighting weak burners, uneven heat, or a stove that simply can't keep up when you're feeding a group, you know how frustrating it can be. Whether you're camping, tailgating, hunting, or spending a weekend at the lake, having a reliable cooking setup can make or break the experience. That's exactly why the Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove has been getting so much attention lately. The Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need more cooking power and flexibility than a typical 2-burner camp stove can provide. With 3 adjustable burners delivering up to 28,000 BTUs of total cooking power, it's built to handle everything from quick breakfasts to full family dinners outdoors. If you're someone who regularly cooks for multiple people outside, this stove immediately stands out as an interesting option. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the stove looks exactly how you'd expect a classic Coleman product to look: simple, practical, and built with outdoor use in mind. The steel construction feels sturdy without becoming excessively heavy, and the overall design focuses more on function than flashy styling. The wind-blocking side panels are especially useful because they don't just shield the burners from gusts. They also fold down and can serve as extra workspace when you're preparing meals. Everything feels well put together, and it gives the impression that it can handle years of camping trips, tailgates, and outdoor adventures without constantly needing repairs or replacement. One thing that immediately improves the experience is the push-button InstaStart ignition. Instead of fumbling around with matches or lighters, you simply press the button and get cooking. It sounds like a small detail, but when you're outdoors early in the morning or dealing with changing weather conditions, convenience matters. Setup is quick, and even first-time users should have no trouble getting started. When it comes to real-world performance, this stove is where things get interesting. The 3-burner configuration gives you significantly more flexibility than many competing camp stoves. You can boil water on one burner, cook eggs on another, and keep a skillet going on the third. For families or groups, that extra burner can dramatically reduce meal prep time. The burners are independently adjustable, making it easy to manage different cooking temperatures simultaneously. Heat distribution is surprisingly consistent across the cooking surface. Coleman designed the burners to radiate heat more evenly, and in everyday use, that translates into fewer hot spots and more predictable cooking results. The pressure regulator also helps maintain performance in varying weather conditions, which is especially valuable for campers who don't always enjoy perfect weather. Noise levels are minimal, and the stove operates quietly compared to some high-output outdoor cooking systems. Cleaning is relatively straightforward as well. After cooking, a quick wipe down is usually enough to keep things looking good. Since there aren't complicated electronic components or delicate moving parts, maintenance remains simple and beginner-friendly. Of course, no product is perfect. One limitation is fuel consumption when all 3 burners are running at maximum power. With every burner on high, the runtime isn't especially long on a standard propane cylinder, so serious outdoor cooks may want to bring extra fuel. It's also larger than compact backpacking stoves, meaning it's better suited for car camping, tailgating, hunting camps, and outdoor gatherings rather than lightweight hiking trips. The biggest strengths are its cooking capacity, ease of use, reliable ignition system, and excellent flexibility for preparing multiple dishes at once. If you frequently cook for families or groups outdoors, these advantages are easy to appreciate. On the other hand, solo campers or minimalists may find that a smaller 2-burner stove offers better portability and takes up less storage space. Compared with similarly priced outdoor stoves from brands like Camp Chef and Gas One, the Coleman strikes a nice balance between power, simplicity, and reliability. Some competitors offer slightly more premium materials or higher BTU ratings, but many of them also cost more and add complexity that casual users may never need. The Coleman focuses on delivering dependable performance without overcomplicating the experience, and that's a major part of its appeal. Overall, the Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove is a strong choice for campers, tailgaters, hunters, and outdoor cooks who need extra cooking space and dependable performance. It solves one of the biggest outdoor cooking frustrations: trying to prepare multiple foods efficiently with limited burner space. If that sounds like a problem you've dealt with before, this stove is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below.